the next kind of problem is if you have more than one parameter. In this case, you notice Rx has a little comma and then a y next to it. It's just a list of parameters here. It could be, they could have whatever name. Usually you only go up to either x or x and y. You might get z, but that's a little bit more rare. So the problem is still the same. It actually isn't much different, except sometimes you might see, like in the statements here, you're comparing x and y instead of x with some constant. And also you have to keep track of both x and y as you're solving. So let's take a look at this. F of 5, 11. Well, you see this fulfills the first statement here, x is less than y, 5 is less than 11. So we're going to get f of x plus 1, which is 6, y minus 2, so 11 minus 2, 9, and then plus 1. F of 6, 9. X is still less than y, so we're going to continue doing this. Now you notice that x is equal to y, so we're going to go to this second one here, and we're going to do 2 times f of 9, 6 minus 2. Now x becomes greater than y, so we're going to use this last one here. So 3 times x, 27, and then minus 4 times y, 24. This becomes 3. You can replace this with a 3. Solve to get 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Replace this with a 4, solve to get 5. Replace this with a 5 and solve to get 6. All right. So let's take a look at some more practice. Well, you can see these like x less than y, x greater than y type statements are pretty common. I guess they're pretty popular. So here we have 1 is less than 11. So we're going to do this first statement here. 1 plus 2, 11 minus 3. So 3 is still less than 8. So we're going to do 3 plus 2, which is 5. 8 minus 3, which is also 5. So now x is equal to y. So we're going to do this last statement here. The order is a little bit changed. Remember in the last one, the x equals y was in the middle, so be careful you don't get them mixed up. They're not always going to be in the same order. We're going to do f of 4, 5. So this kind of sends us back to the 4 is less than 5. So we're going to do this again. And f of 6, 3 is where 6 is greater than 3. So we're going to do 2 times 6, 12, plus 5 times 3, 15. Solve to get 27. And we're just going to replace everything here and solve. And we get our final answer, which is 30.